From the deserts of Australia to the boulevards of Beijing, a new kind of air power is taking off. AI wingmen built to fly beside fighters, swarm targets, and fight at machine speed. The name on everyone's lips, Ghost Bat. Ghost Bat is Boeing Australia's collaborative combat aircraft, an uncrewed wingman that teams with crewed jets like the F-35 or Super Hornet. Think of it as a force multiplier. Perform risky missions, extend sensors, carry weapons, and jam targets, without risking a pilot. It's also historic, the first military aircraft designed and built in Australia in approximately 50 years, a big shift for a US ally long reliant on imported kit. Timing isn't an accident. At China's September 3rd parade, Beijing rolled out advanced missiles and new stealthy wingman drones, signaling a push to saturate the battlespace with autonomous systems. Australia's answer? Accelerate Ghost Bat, a domestically produced drone that can be built and sustained at home, not shipped across oceans in a crisis. Canberra has poured hundreds of millions into the program, with total government backing now crossing the billion-dollar mark, and Boeing building a production hub in Toowoomba, Queensland. Test tempo is climbing. Interoperability trials with RAF command platforms, successful deployments at RAF Tyndall, and air-to-air weapons testing slated for this year. Concept of operations. A crewed fighter, or an AEW&C task organizes a pack of Ghost Bats. The drones push forward as sensors, decoys, or shooters, while the pilot, safe in standoff, curates tactics and target priorities. Humans set intent and constraints. Machines execute at machine speed. For the United States, this matters. Washington is building its own CCA programs, but a close ally making a mature, exportable wingman adds depth and resilience to a Pacific fight, especially under AUKUS industrial links. Boeing and Australian officials pitch Ghost Bat at a fraction of a manned fighter's cost, with modular bays to swap roles. Lower unit price equals more airframes, higher sortie density, and attritable options for high-risk missions. That's the heart of the CCA bet. Quantity with quality. China's public reveal of stealthy unmanned wingmen ups the pressure. The US Air Force is moving fast on its own CCA, and Australia wants sovereign capacity, build at home, export to trusted partners, and never be stuck at the back of the queue in wartime. Reality check: data links can be jammed, autonomy needs rigorous safety cases, and scaling production is hard. Watch for 2025-26 milestones. Live weapons shots, multi-ship swarming, and teaming with F-35/EA-18G/E-7A in contested electronic environments. For a US audience, Ghost Bat signals something bigger. Allies are fielding serious autonomy. In any Indo-Pacific crisis, interoperable swarms from multiple democracies could share the load, stretching adversaries, protecting pilots, and raising the cost of aggression. Ghost Bat isn't science fiction, it's taxiing right now. Question for you: in the next air war, should human pilots always lead, or will AI wingmen take point? Tell me below. Subscribe for our deep dive on the US CCA program and a breakdown of China's new parade drones.